Doers Review 2024, the ultimate AliExpress dropshipping tool. You won't believe how dropshipping tools have evolved in 2024. Here's promises streamlined order management, supplier integration, and bulk processing. But is it the ultimate AliExpress tool? The surprising truth is efficiency. Most people get this wrong by assuming manual dropshipping is still practical. DSers allows automated order placement, multiple supplier mapping, and bulk product imports directly from AliExpress, saving time and reducing errors. One major advantage is scalability. You won't believe what happens next when you see DSers supports multiple stores, product variants, and real-time inventory updates. Integration with platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce allows seamless business expansion. DSers also offers advanced analytics, pricing automation, and supplier selection tools, helping optimize profit margins and minimize shipping issues. The system supports split orders, ensuring faster delivery to customers. However, there are cons. Beginners may face a learning curve, and AliExpress shipping delays can still affect customer satisfaction. Subscription costs apply for advanced features, and customer support response times vary depending on plan. In conclusion, DSers in 2024 is ideal for dropshippers looking to automate and scale their AliExpress business. While complexity and shipping challenges remain, the combination of automation, integration, and analytics makes DSers a powerful tool for serious e-commerce entrepreneurs.